In India, sound is not just heard. It's felt, it's worshipped, it's lived. From the hum of a morning mantra, to the rhythm of a tribal dance, to the echo of a conch across a temple, sound built our identity. We were once a land of instruments. Each village had its own rhythm, each community its own tone. But today, many of those instruments are silent, their players forgotten, their strings broken, their stories almost erased. The Rudra Veena, the Maddale, the Algoza, the Tumbak, the Ektra, few know their names. Even fewer have heard their voices. This is a story about what we're losing, not just wood and string, but the very sound of our roots. Welcome to The Lost Sounds of India. In ancient India, sound was not just art, it was divine. The sages believed, not a Brahma, the world is sound. Every note, every rhythm was sacred, a connection between the human and the cosmic. Music wasn't for entertainment. It was for healing, for worship, for truth. Instruments were built with precision, designed to match the body, the breath, the universe itself. The sound of a veena wasn't just string, it was a prayer. The beat of a tribal drum wasn't just rhythm, it was the heartbeat of a community. From temples to forests, from royal courts to village fires, India was built in sound. And to lose those sounds is to lose a part of our soul. India was once built on sound, not just to entertain but to awaken, to heal, to connect. But now, many of those sacred sounds are falling silent. Instruments are vanishing. Artisans are forgotten. The music that once shaped our lives is fading. Musical Notes in our next episode will uncover the lost instruments of India. From the Rudra Veena to the Tumbak, from forest flutes to one-string storytellers. Some of these sounds you may never have heard. And if we don't listen now, we may never hear them again. Watch the next part. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to keep these sounds alive.